Hello people, today we are diving into the 2023 Kawasaki Versys 650, an adventure bike that's really nice and easy motorcycle for everyday riding. Well, already with the first sentence we opened the discussion. In my opinion, this is not an adventure bike, it's more like a touring bike in the adventure style. I have navigated onto some nice gravel roads and must admit that Versys didn't feel at home there. It didn't take long to return to the main road. I would have liked to see the Versys a bit more like the adventure-focused Kyle Air in the Kawasaki lineup, but sadly that's not the case. On the other hand, Kawasaki didn't hold back on features with the Versys, especially if you know the price is under 10k. On this bike you'll find good brakes with ABS, traction control, a 6-speed gearbox without quick shifter, a good LCD with phone connectivity, bright LED lighting and more and more. Also on my test bike there were spacious hard side cases and also a top case, plenty of space for anything you might need on your trip. In our part of the world winter is approaching and mornings are already chilly, so heated grips would be something I'd like to see on the bike as a standard feature, not on the option list. Under the hood, the Versys boasts a parallel twin engine. It's a modern powerhouse producing 66 horsepower and 61 Nm of torque. But how does it perform on the road? Quite well, I must say. It offers a pleasant and easy to ride experience. The windshield provides good air deflection and I must say that the seat is comfortable. However, after a few hours of riding, this comfort starts to wane. I would say that the engine on this motorcycle is impressive, at least for speeds around 100 kilometers per hour if you don't mind higher engine RPMs. However, reaching speeds up to 150 is not a problem. The fuel efficiency of 4.7 liters per kilometer is also okay. So, did I like this 2023 Kawasaki Versys 650? Yes, I did. It's fun and easy to ride. I would love to see it be more versatile, but it carries Kawasaki's stylish touch and I can see that it's meant for both novice and unpretentious experienced riders. In the end, it's worth considering the competition. I would go with Honda CB500X and Kobe 500X. They're both more versatile motorcycles, but they lack the power. Also, I'm curious to see what all the fuss about the Benelli TRK models is. What are your thoughts on the Versys and its competition? Share your comments below, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.